Okay, so I'm gonna replace the cabin filter on a Toyota Tacoma. So you just open this glove compartment. There's this tray that holds here, so you just pop it off. And then inside, if you see, two clips. So no, first you have to remove this. So slide up. Okay, this thing comes off, and then you have to remove this clip. There. Oh man, look at that mess over there. Ooh. Oh boy, look at that. That looks like a nasty filter. Oh man. Okay, I'm just gonna throw it down there. Okay. And I have a brand new. This is a Bosch. Okay. And take it off. It's really hard. I'm new with it. One hand. Oh. Okay, got it. Okay, here it is. Now, when you are going to install it, make sure where the airflow is. So, if you go back, look at this one. It doesn't say anything about the airflow. Let me see if anything inside says anything about the freaking airflow. I think the airflow is down, like that way, because all the leaves were on top. So, and make sure there's no debris inside. I do have some stuff outside. I don't know how this stuff got out here. It's really weird. So, just make sure the airflow is actually saying down. Okay, like this. So that's how it will go. Do you see the airflow? That's going down. Okay, and see some leaves over there. Okay, all right. Yeah, it's pretty. Look at that. Yeah. It's on the side, despite an air filter. So much dust is getting through. I don't know. What is that? Mold? Is that freaking mold? Man. Yeah. Okay, so anyways, so you just have to take this, put it like this. So the airflow should say down, and just do the whole thing all over again. Just put it back, and then the next thing, and then you're good to go. Have a nice one.